Ken from A Driver's View, here to talk about backing in a truck stop, in a truck stop parking lot. You want to shut down for the night, you come in and you want to park for the night and get you some rest. I see a lot of guys that have been driving and a lot of them can't back up worth a damn, or they set themselves up wrong where they have a problem trying to get into the hole. When you come into a truck stop and you see a spot up to on your driver's side that you want to park into, stay close to that side. Stay close to that side, that left side, swerve to the right, and then back to the left. Then you set your trailer up where it's automatically ready to go in the hole. You can back in, and then you also have room on your right-hand side. Some of these guys come in here and start in the middle of the lot and try to jack it real hard. You ain't leaving no room on that right side. You're gonna tear up everything, or you're gonna be there back and forth trying to, back where you've already got your trailer jacked and ready to go in the hole. It's very simple.